here's how you can add products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add products from CJ Dropshipping into Shopify. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end. So yeah, this is a step-by-step video. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So first of all, as you can see, I'm here at the Shopify main dashboard. So first of all, what you have to do is get this CJ Dropshipping app. So you first of all, you'll be able to get the Shopify CJ Dropshipping app from the Shopify's own website. So what you have to do to get it, you just go to apps and search up. You just press on the arrow or maybe apps and search up. Maybe go to app sales and channel and go to apps again, all recommended apps. All right. Once you go to all recommended apps, as you can see, the CJ Dropshipping is right over here in the front. But if you don't have it on the front, you can just go to Shopify App Store. It's loading up and search up CJ Dropshipping. Again, it's here. If you don't see it anywhere, just search up CJ Dropshipping and you'll see it on the top. All right. Just press it, and once you go there, as you can see, it's telling about the CJ Dropshipping app, product sourcing and auto listing feature, convenient and fast order fulfillment and delivery. All right. So these are all its features that it's explaining. So let's just press install. So it's installing. And there we go. Inside here as well can see CJ Dropshipping much faster, and here as you can see is my store connecting to CJ Dropshipping, and you can just install the app directly. Just press install app. All right. So here as you can see, I'm in the main CJ Dropshipping website right now, and it's asking me to log in and authorize. So let's just log in. Press confirm, log in and authorize. All right. And as you can see, it's asking me to log in. So I'm just going to use Google to log in my account, confirm. And here we go. We're here in the CJ Dropshipping. So as you can see, there are many products right over here, and it's telling something about CJ Dropshipping. So it's saying, hello, I'm Alex. Welcome to CJ. CJ has always been dedicated to providing better service and helping every dropshipper starting from scratch. How may I help you? So I want to know this. If you want to know anything about CJ, like dropshipping, you can just press if you want to learn dropshipping courses, but we're not here for this. We're just going to press no thanks. And as you can see, there are many products. So let's just check if it's in our Shopify. Let's just check our apps. Yeah, we have it. We have it installed, all right? So once you have like Shopify CJ Dropshipping, so I'm going to show you how you can actually add the stuff to it. So yeah. So here, as you can see, basically that you can add as much as dropshipping products as you want. So let's just find a winning product and add it to our page, and you could find your own products too. So this one's looking pretty good. This light. Let's just check how we can add it. So as you can see, it has its own video galleries and stuff like that. So the product price is from $9.90 to $60, and you can contact the supplier right over here. So you have to contact the supplier, and there are two warehouses that it's been supplying from. The first one is US and China, and the platform should be Shopify. All right. So you can contact the seller, and you can directly talk to the seller. As you can see, you can start it directly from here. But yeah, like once you find your product, just press connect, and as you can see, it's telling me added to queue successfully. So let's just go here in this Shopify at the authorization section. And here, as you can see, I haven't authorized any stores yet. So what you have to do once you're here, just press add store. And as you can see, by clicking authorize, you will be redirected to app page in Shopify where you should click add app. So press authorize, alright. And as you can see, I'm here and it's telling me to open the app. So let me press open app. So it's asking me to authorize. Let me press authorize and confirm. So as you can see, I have authorized. My authorization has been successed. And CJ will help you dropship business much easier. So what you have to do right now is just find your products. So you can list the products, and I'm just gonna go ahead and list now. As you can see, I can now list any product into my shop. So let's just press list. And here, as you can see, I have to list it in my Shopify store, and as you can see, my store homepage. Alright. So you can add the prices to it. So I'm just gonna put in a price. So it's costing 27 USD. So I'm just gonna type it yeah, 31 for like profit. So I'm just gonna do the same for all. So they pretty much cost all the same. There are too many of them, but we're just gonna put in the prices. Alright. So you have to do all this to once you want to add your products. I'm just gonna put in all this right over here. Right, paste. And we did that. And here we go. You can add your own tags, and that's our store. List it now. Please select the category. So you have to select the category, product type, let's just put in clothing. List it now, confirm. Description, images, variants, shipment, and videos. Alright. Please select a product to list. So we're just gonna list this product and list it now. So it's gonna do this, and it's telling me listing in progress. Alright. So as you can see, it's listed successfully, and let's just view it in our store. And as you can see, we have it in our store, and it's currently running, and it has all the stuff that we needed. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can use CJ Dropshipping into Shopify store. So yeah, I hope it helped you guys out, and peace out. And this was it for this video. So yeah, until then, goodbye.